We're taking the same route in the rain, huh? That's right. You gonna flap? You're not gonna flap, huh? Woof. It's raining out. Why don't you flap your wings? You usually do. Huh? You big silly. Look at you. Look at that big silly. I smell spaghetti. Someone's cooking noodles. Maybe it's lasagna. It is noodles anyway. You love noodles, don't you? You still have that little flippy hair. Or feathers. Little flippy feathers. Hi. Yeah, we're at the mailbox, aren't we? You big funny bird. You big funny bird. So, Thaner, how do you enjoy being a parrot in Oregon? I just used the wrong key. What the heck? It's some interesting weather here, isn't it, bird? I still didn't get those packages. I'm waiting on 3 books. You are a glorious, glorious parrot. Come here. Yeah, look at you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're a beautiful bird. Oh, here comes a car and a person. Yeah, hold on. Hold on to your foot. Hold on to your foot. Yep, here come some cars. And we're going to cross because the road there is very uneven. So here, we're going to cross here. Going to look to see if there are cars coming, and they're not. Yeah, we got to be safe. Right, baby girl? Right, baby girl? Got to be safe. So I'm holding on to your foot. I don't really need to right now, but I still should. Oh, yeah, shake those feathers. Shake those feathers. Right. You are a silly bird. How you doing, girl? Goodness, this is shaky cam, huh? What? Yeah, I hear a motorcycle. Oh, I hear a baby crying. I hear a baby crying. Oh, man, if Aunt Heather ever has a kid, huh? Right, right. You are going to learn that cry, and it's going to be so annoying. You already know the smoke detector, and that's obnoxious. It's the one noise you can't make, okay? Because you sound just like it. And it can be dangerous. If you sound like the smoke detector too much, I might start ignoring it. And you upset the parakeets. Sneaking up from my neighbor's yard here. Nope. There we go. Let me put you down here for a second. Again. There we go.